What is Meow Wolf? Meow Wolf is an arts and entertainment group which began in and is still based in Santa Fe, New Mexico. We established in 2008 as an art collective. We create immersive multimedia experiences that transport audiences of all ages into fantastic realms of storytelling. Our work is a combination of jungle gym, haunted house, children's museum, and immersive art exhibit.
It's like another world. It's kind of this surreal, remind me of very like burnery. It's interactive, it's very exploratory, it's imaginative.
It's like a world where you, at every point, you're like, you
There's
see something new
explore.
and that you haven't seen before, and you want to just find the place, but you don't know how, and you're just gonna have to explore to get to it.
I finally made it to the trailer.
There's always more doors to open.
It always feels like you're peeling the label back on reality. You know, and being like, oh, hey, here's there's another little chunk behind here. Oh.
No more hints. You only gave us 2. Oh.
Now get over here and try.
Yeah. Have fun.
Whoa.
Oh, whoa.
I did not expect that.
Oh, you got.
It makes sense, but it doesn't. Like it does
I
not.
just like I'm talking about, like how does this get here?
Where? How did it? Yeah, did they fold space?
And then you can literally walk out of that same room and come back into the same bedroom that you start in.
Whoa. What's up? They didn't find me, but I found them and brought them here.
It's like, yeah, it's like non-linear and yet.
It's exceptionally non-linear art that requires exploration to fully understand.
Yeah. What I like too is like just all these people in here are just kind of experiencing that kind of thing too. So you're all like, oh, did you see this? You know, it's like
Like all these strangers telling, oh, did you experience that thing? I don't think I've really seen that besides like burnery things before.
Well, yeah, it's like
So
regular people.
that room that I showed you.
My battery's about ready to die, so this is gonna be the end of our Meow Wolf video. Take it away, Chris. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will catch you next time. I got the munchies.